Hey guys, welcome back to Dia Plays Legendaries, and welcome back to and today I'm on speedrun, but we're not gonna be playing speedrun today. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys about on Google. So a lot of people have been seeing that people that Roblox is gonna be shutting down on March, and it's not true because Roblox is a billionaire company, and Roblox would never shut down a billion people working on Roblox. And Roblox is a really important game. And sorry about the lag, guys. And I'm not doing my face cam today, sorry, guys. But I just wanted to tell you guys that Roblox will never ever shut down a billionaire company that is literally like, out of all the games, even people think that Fortnite's shutting down, Minecraft's shutting down, but that's all not true. Because as you can see, the spelling was wrong and everything was wrong. Because it was supposed to say by Roblox. Roblox would have told us, but Roblox didn't tell us, so that can't be Roblox. And obviously, it's fake. It can't obviously shut down. Roblox will never shut down because Roblox is just a really popular game with over 1 million users. And why would Roblox let us down? Well, I don't think Roblox is, because I don't think that was Roblox that said that. Roblox would never ever ever say that ever again. And it's fake. Literally, it's fake. Why would Roblox shut down a billionaire company? It must have been someone that made up that comment on Google that people think it's shutting down on March 30th, I think. I don't even remember. So if you're thinking that Roblox is shutting down, no, it's not shutting down. It's a billionaire company. Why would it shut down? So don't even think that Roblox is shutting down, because it's obviously not shutting down. I don't get why would someone put a fake comment on Google saying that Roblox would shut down. It's obviously not shutting down. Even people from my friends list that was on my old account said that Roblox is shutting down, but it's not. It's actually not shutting down. People keep thinking it's shutting down, but it's not. And I've seen so many videos of people like making videos of Roblox is not shutting down. It's still gonna be Roblox. If you don't believe me, I'll check on the date right now when Roblox might be shutting down, because I don't trust these people that say things on Google, because it could be Wikipedia trying to scam you guys. So I'm checking on my phone right now, and sorry about the music. So I'm gonna go on Google, and I'm gonna tell you guys that it's fake, and I'll show you guys the comment. It's like, if you guys hear anything, it's just from the rain. It's raining where I am, so okay, so is Roblox shutting down? And it's obviously gonna say yeah, but it's not shutting down. Even if Google says it, doesn't mean it's shutting down. So let's check. Oh, there's even a website that says Roblox is not shutting down. So let's check out the website. play. So it says Roblox is not shutting down in 2020, says developer with definite response. The creators of Roblox have provided the definitive response to the rumors that the game is shutting down in 2020. So despite the rumor having circulated over 6 months ago, back in 2019, concerns about Roblox shutting down in 2020 refuse to go away. We've already provided an explanation as to why its servers not being shut down, but now the developers have done the same with a definite response on Twitter. So I would go on Twitter right now, but I'm not bothered because I am not bothered to go on Twitter and like see, because I'd rather go on Google. Okay, this is the message from Roblox from Twitter. Let's set things straight. Roblox isn't shutting down. The same hoax with a few details change. Goes around every year or two. Remember, don't believe everything you'll read in the internet, and that is so true. Don't read everything that is on the internet, guys. Internet can be lying. And I wish I could show you guys the message, but it's not shutting down. And I don't think Minecraft and Fortnite or any game that is shutting down in 2020 that you heard on Google, it's obviously a scam. So don't think of scams. Scams are just trying to scam you and think that Roblox is shutting down and everyone's quitting Roblox because of that. You don't have to quit Roblox just because that Roblox is shutting down on March. Because you still have an opportunity to play Roblox, but Roblox is not shutting down. So I want you guys to stop getting it out of your mind saying Roblox is shutting down, when it is not shutting down. So please get it out of your mind, because Roblox is not shutting down for the last time. And I'm sorry for yelling, guys, but some people really need to know that Roblox is not shutting down. So get that out of your mind. Well, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you guys. To tell you guys that Roblox is not shutting down. So get it out of your mind. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and comment down below if that helps you, and share with your friends so they know that is not shutting down. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.